kids! How are you all? Today, let's play a mystery game called Sounds of Animals. Quack, quack! Can you guess the name of the animal who says quack? Yes, you are right. A duck says quack. Can you guess the animal who roars? Well done. Your answer is correct. A lion roars. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Can you guess the animal who says ribbit? Yes, you can. Way to go. Your answer is correct. A frog says ribbit. Bye. Thanks for watching.